Apple and Google have just come together to finally fix Siri. That's right. Apple and Google have just entered a multi-year deal under which the next generation of Apple Foundation models powering Apple Intelligence and Siri will now be using Google Gemini. Now, this is not the first time Apple has tried to fix things by partnering with someone else. Back in 2024, Apple integrated ChatGPT to its system, but that was never meant to fix Apple Intelligence or Siri. ChatGPT was just an extra tool for things like writing summaries or answering open-ended questions. Simply put, Siri itself was not running on ChatGPT. It was simply delegating to ChatGPT. So the core issue remained the same. Siri still felt useless beyond setting alarm. But this new deal with Google is different in very real way. This time, Apple is not just handling hard queries to another tool, but building Apple Intelligence and Siri on top of Gemini itself. This also doesn't mean Apple is handling user data to Google. Both have clearly mentioned that Apple Intelligence and Siri will still run on device or fall back to Apple's own private cloud compute when needed, meaning Apple will still control what data is seen. Having said that, the new Siri will likely be demoed at WWDC in June 2026. So, let's see what Apple cooks this time.